This technique is called mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is practicing present moment awareness and acceptance of what is happening around us, inside us, and in our relationships with kindness, openness, and curiosity. Before you begin any practice, keep these things in mind. Wear loose fitting clothing. Find comfortable seating either on the floor or a chair. Find a quiet area and set aside some time to focus. First, focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths, inhaling peace and well-being. Exhale negative energy. Visualize your problems exiting your body as you exhale. Next, center yourself. Concentrate on breathing and block out any outside distractions. As your mind wanders, that is normal. Just bring yourself back to focusing on breathing. Quiet your mind so there are no thoughts, just nothingness. Now, bring your attention to the presence of thoughts that are moving through your mind, trying to pull your attention away from your breath. Take notice of them. This is an important step. Let yourself be aware of those thoughts and feelings, wishes and plans, images and memories. Your streams of thoughts will keep alluring your mind away from your breath. Tell yourself, I'm noticing my thoughts, yet I'm not getting carried away by them. Each time you catch yourself being dragged away by a thought, gently bring back your focus to your breath again and again. In this next step, feel a sense of peacefulness within as you keep settling into the breath with more focus. Notice how it feels to get caught up in the passing contents of awareness and how it feels to let them go by. Be aware of peaceful awareness itself. Once you're there, in the state of peaceful awareness, you may decide to sit in that state for as long as you want. Let's take a few minutes just to sit in this peacefulness. Finally, You may bring the meditation to an end by opening your eyes, stretching out your hands, and getting up. Stay in that state of peacefulness. As you move through your day, when negative energy comes up, take a moment and revisit that peacefulness.